Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make white chocolate and fudge cookies. Let's begin. To start, you'll want to get your mixing bowl of choice, and into the bowl you'll want to place your butter and both your sugars and beat them together until they are well combined. This normally doesn't take very long. So once they are combined, you can then add in your egg and vanilla. You'll then want to mix this in just to incorporate, being careful not to overmix. So once the egg and vanilla have been incorporated, you can then add in your dry ingredients. You will then want to mix these in until almost fully combined. If you are interested in making these, I will leave a link to the blog post where you can get all the weights, measurements, baking times, all the information you need, and that will be in the description down below. So once most of the flour has been incorporated, you will then want to add in your white chocolate chips and your fudge pieces, and then fold these in using a spatula. Feel free to use your mixer, but I found that mixing it in with a spatula works just as well. This also prevents you from over mixing them, so if you're a bit clumsy, do it this way. So to do the cookies is really simple. You just need to scoop 2 balls of the dough up, place your butter fudge in the middle, and then press it together and round it off into a ball shape and put onto your baking tray. Feel free to flatten it a bit if you'd like. You need to repeat this for the rest of your cookies. I put 6 onto a tray, but feel free to space them out however you like. So here are what they look like freshly baked out of the oven, but before we take them off the tray, you'll want to top each of them with some chocolate chips and some of the fudge pieces. Again, this is optional, but it does add a certain appearance to them, it makes them look better, but again, feel free to leave it out if you don't want to do this, but I do recommend doing it as it does add more chocolate and more fudge, which who doesn't want more with a cookie? Once you've put your toppings onto your cookies, you can then transfer them to a cooling rack to cool completely, or if like me you can't, you can always eat 1 or 2 right now, as they are pretty nice warm but can be enjoyed cool as well, whichever your preference is really. So here are what the cookies look like while they're still slightly warm. They've got that gooey, soft fudge centre with the chocolate chips and the fudge pieces. Let me tell you, these are easily one of my favourite cookies from now. So that's all from me this week guys. I hope you enjoyed this recipe on how to make white chocolate and fudge cookies. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me. I'll be back next week with another video, so don't forget, if you have any future video suggestions, leave them in the comments down below or message me over on one of my social medias. I will leave all that information in the description down below. Talking of social medias, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, as you'll be able to see while I'm baking on Instagram stories and getting a sneak peek of what's to come, and again you can give me suggestions over there. That's all for this week. Bye guys.